Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today I am excited to introduce our innovative product, which is the Easy Stats Generator. Easy Stats Generator is an educational innovation designed to help students better understand the concepts of central tendency such as mean, median and mode through automation using Microsoft Excel and VBA. This tool addresses the issue of repetitive manual calculations, which often cause students to lose interest and struggle to fully grasp the topic. With the Easy Stats Generator, user can input raw data, also known as ungrouped data, and instantly obtain automatic calculation and visual chart with a single click. Using this tool in the classroom increases engagement, reduces cognitive load, and meaningfully integrates technology into both teaching and learning. Without further ado, let's go through step by step on how to use this generator. First, enter your data and frequency into the designated cells. For example, like this. And then, next, click the update button and then the list button. Okay, repeat this step until all the data has been completely entered, such as alright, and then click the calculate button to generate the mean, median and mode as fast as lightning. Boom! Okay, finally, click the chart button to create a colorful column chart. You can also edit the chart title according to preferences, like this. Okay, you can also sort the data from smallest to largest like this. As you can see here, the data has started from lower to highest value. So this is the column chart that generated from the data. Okay, next, I will show some examples to illustrate how this tool can enhance student understanding of measure of central tendency. Okay, in this example, there is a list of employees' salaries in a company. As you can see, the data contain outlier or extreme value, which is RM20,000, which is unusually large compared to the rest of the dataset. In this case, students can learn to choose the median as the most appropriate measure of central tendency because it is not affected by the outlier. Okay, let's look at another example about the pocket money brought to school by students from class 2 Laksmana. In this dataset, RM1 ringgit can be categorized as an extreme value or called as outlier because the majority of students bring pocket money ranging from 6 ringgit to 8 ringgit. The value 1 ringgit is much lower and occurs very rarely, so it can affect the average in an inaccurate way. Therefore, in this situation, median, which is 6, is again the most appropriate measure of central tendency because it remains unaffected by extreme value. In conclusion, the concept of an outlier is not only based on whether a value is simply the smaller or the largest, but whether it is much higher or lower compared to most of the data. Outliers usually occur very rarely and can significantly affect the mean. If a value is far away from the majority of the data and does not represent the typical situation, it can be considered an outlier. This is what we want students to thoroughly understand, not just how to perform the calculation, but how to interpret the data and make informed decisions about which measure of central tendency are most appropriate in different situations. Okay, that's all from me. Bye!